Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is question regarding for your particular website. You can receive one email. You have facing problem for mobile usability issues. So first of all, what kind of errors will be making errors and how we can receive the email? First, you can check it out. I have received an email, seasonswim.com. It will be located by the swimming pool, different locations who are looking for swimming pools. Contact this into the Hyderabad location, Madhapur, Abits. So different branches, different locations are here. You can contact this particular website person. This person is facing some problem, mobile usability issue detected. Then click fix mobile usability issues. Click here. Now we have usable 35, not usable 1. What is the one exact issue? Leave it. When your issue will be raised by 16th of July, day before yesterday. So what are the issue you can resolve by here? So what is the how we can resolve the issues and what is the major problem? Why page are not able on mobile? Page with these issues don't provide a good page experience. Too small and read. So the particular page text will be too small. So there will be give option will be automatically we have to fixing the issue validate to fix, or we can go with the manual. First of with page is we can have and check it out. Text will be too small. So test tool must small purpose. Go to particular page. Which page they will be text too small. Click and edit. So this content will be too small. Select the content and increase the size option. Different sizes will be here. We can increase the size. In a particular all content will be here. So this is the first option. So here all content is there. Update. Refresh. Content will be too hard. You can change out. Normal content. Click with it, refresh it. So there are some problem will be here. There's a simple solution will be here. Here we have to click option name is validate to fix the option. As a make, they will initiate to fix this issue. There will be a problem will resolve. So one is called, we can go to admin panel and change your content size that you can tell me the developer and change your text too small to read. People will be can't read in a mobile device, very too small. So that is the first error. So mobile usability. Mainly the errors will be text is too small and clickable element is too near. So that all the kind of errors will be occur in your particular option. So right now it is going on movie here. Just now it is initiate will be going on here. So just wait for the some seconds. It is map will be fixed will be here. See the details here. After done this option, go to back. Here, this option will be here. The call will be inspect the option will be here. Retrieve data from here and click for text live URL. So what are the fixing problem? They will rectify will be here. This is the compulsory you have to do for text live URL. It will be fixed or not. You can easily know about the particular option. Compulsory Google Search Console, you have to daily check and what are the information they will provide. Compulsory, you can fix the every bug is compulsory important. So now it is going on. Refresh on the icon, the particular pages now will be going on test live URL. Maybe it takes some time. They will be immediately will resolve your particular option. So mobile usable issues, once you fix, that will be done. Page is usable on mobile. I fix the complete error on your particular live in your option. Go to mobile usable issue, click it. This error will remove by after 48 hours. Clickable element too close together. Same. I'm already too close together. Validate to fix. Once this is done validate to fix, the error will be not occur. So I can done by this will be in May. I will getting by July. So after the changing for bin panel, I'm updating for some futures. You will rectify or it will be showing error will be in the particular mobile usability issue. Just you can fix the valid issue and search will be just live URL will be compulsory important. First fix the all one at a time you click for the text live URL. You will be fix exactly 24 hours time or within 1 hour or within time they will be fix the issue. So previous I'll done by the text tool all that will be done. Last option and final one content wider than screen. So that also you can click for valid to fix. After fix this issue, you can go for text live URL on Google Search Console option. So now it is going on. Just take maximum 1 minute or less than 2 minutes. So that will be showing for this may take up to a minute. So one is called, we can go to content and change content will be one possible option. Or else you can have direct option will be valid fix. It will be not fixed on Google Search Console. Compulsory you can change your content size. That is compulsory important on your particular Google Search Console option. Here. Done. Now click for here is the this option. There is a fraction of seconds. Here is the test live URL. Everything will be sorted will be option. So what are the problems we are facing? Everything will be fixed on a particular Google Search Console, your website URL. Compulsory, you will be follow this instruction, mobile usable issue, crawl issues, everything you can check it out from the Google Search Console. Fix it based on the text size and clickable element. And we have option name is called longer length, wider content. So everything you can check it out and fix the issue. So validity fix will be compulsory fixed by the Google Search Console. If it is not fixed, you can fix with the developer based on the content validation. So now click crawl, everything, view test page, everything will be perfectly done. So if you want anybody have facing problem on this in the Google Search Console, please contact my channel. If you forget any comment on your my channel, definitely you can contact once again. I definitely will be sort out your issue. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.